Hello, good day to all of you. In this video, I will just show you uh, once more closer look of the Ace Hardware 1/4 inch uh, drive 6.36 piece socket set. Now, first, the casing. It's a hard casing. Then, let's measure the case. Yeah, just for you to know, so that you can visualize how big it is. So let's measure the case. The case is about 10-inch length, uh, 8-inch width, and depth of about 2 inch. Okay, let's open the tools. So as I have discussed before, there are 10 sets of sockets here from 4 millimeter up to 30 millimeter. So each sockets, so okay, each sockets indicate the millimeter length. So for this one, it is 4 millimeter Ace Hardware chromium vanadium material. Ace brand name. Okay, randomly let's check. 8 millimeter. This one is 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter Ace. And then the material is chromium vanadium. Okay, Ace 8 millimeter. The biggest is 13 millimeter at the rightmost upper. Okay, let's see. 13 millimeter Ace chromium vanadium material. Okay. And this piece can be used to drive it, to convert it in a chuck. Chuck like this. So also the material is chromium vanadium. Ace chromium vanadium. So it is adjustable. So if you want to know the length is about, the length is about 4 1/4 inch. Then this extender is about I'm sorry for that. This is about 4-inch length. Then we will have this rache. This rache overall length, let's see. Overall length is about 6 1/4 inches. So the handle is about 3 inch, and the remaining is 3 1/4, of course. 3 1/4 inch. Okay, closer look again. Again, chromium vanadium, brand name ACE. The screwdriver set also. This one is the rod. The rod is also material is chromium vanadium also. Then the brand name you can see, ACE chromium vanadium. Then the screw heads. So 10 pieces of screw heads, all made of chromium vanadium. So overall, these are 36 pieces, 10 pieces of sockets, extender, chuck. By the way, this one I forgot. This one is universal joint. And also, universal joint is made of chromium vanadium. ACE chromium vanadium universal joint. Universal joint is about 1 3/4 inches. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day, all of you. Bye.